Hey everyone, so I finally got back my Microtech EDC knife. This is the Microtech Combat Troodon with the Hellhound blade, and we had a blizzard up in New England back in end of February this year. So I had dropped this in a huge mound of snow and lost it, where it stayed for 6 weeks. I just found it yesterday when I went back to my grandmother's house. My uncle claimed that they even tried looking for it. I found it instantly, just in plain sight, on her walkway. I'll post a picture of it and show you guys. So I cleaned it up with some water inside just to get some of the grit, sand, and dirt out from the action. And I'm gonna squirt some WD-40 in there and we'll give it a test. I've already tried actuating it after washing the knife, and it felt a little gritty, as well as much more difficult to actuate. This is a relatively difficult knife already to actuate this switch. So we're gonna give it a shot and see if Microtech is really all that durable. Alright, so here, we'll give that a few seconds to settle in there and work the action and lubricate it all up. So like I said, this was sitting outside in the weather for 6 weeks. Freezing cold and wet. Wow, look at that, guys. Not even tarnished, rusted, still looks brand new, still actuates brand new. Wow. Honestly, I've never been disappointed by Microtech, and I'm going to continue to purchase and carry them. I carry this nice knife every day, and I have for the last 6 years. So, thanks for watching, and keep on carrying.